3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during BlazeMail's Bay Day tournament. Today's challenger is no stranger to the Dragon King. He challenges the Dragon King once again to get another one on him. Looking to widen the gap between their battles, here comes Eggman. Can Eggman make it a double whammy, or will the Dragon King even the odds? Stick around to find out. This is the Dragon deck that I'll be using on this challenge. Dran Buster with a 360 ratchet and a Rush bit. Wyvern Gale with a 380 ratchet and a Hexa bit. Dran Sword with a 960 ratchet and a flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Game. Jangan. First play po tayo mga kaibigan. Dito. Uy. Ano yan? Hexa. Ate. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Game. Second. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Kita ba?
Hindi, umangat siya. Hindi, kaya na ba? Lalo kong busy pa, Wyvern Gale.
May 3-1 pala to.
Hindi ba na?
3-1. Pinamilitan ng mundo.
Nilipad lang yan.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Next set. Ay, dyan pa yung ladan. Ay. Balik lang ako. Okay, game na.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ready? 3, 2, 2-0. Third base. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ponzi.
Winner! Third set na tayo.
Giant boy ulit.
Okay na?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Masyadong mali.
Sira na yun. Uy, nalaan ko. 72?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ano ko madadali?
2-0. Third day. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Oy! Next. Oy! Extreme. 3, 2. First base. Sigurado. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi ko lang mabasa. Hey! Putik na.
Ball ba yan, Hex?
All yan. All 3.
Ay, okay. Meron ba pala? Tama.
Sudden death. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Wala ka na.
Ay! Winner. And you.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 1, Eggman 2. It was a close fight, but the Dragon King loses. Eggman wins for the second time, and he is still the Dragon King Challenge Champion. Grats!
Para kay Sam.
So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Eggman, and I'll see you guys on the next video.